Hello everyone, today we are going to learn 6 essential crochet stitches. These are chain, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet and treble crochet. For this tutorial, I am using milk cotton yarn and a 3mm crochet hook. This combination is perfect. Now we will start with the most important foundation of crochet, the chain stitch. This is what a crochet chain looks like, forms a base for almost every project you will make. Let's begin with a slip knot. Take your yarn and form a loop, leaving a small tail at the end. Insert your hook through the loop and grab the working yarn and pull it through. Gently tighten it around your hook, making sure it is secure but not too tight. Now hold your hook comfortably in your dominant hand and let the yarn flow through your other hand so you can control the tension. Now bring the yarn over the hook from back to front. This is called a yarn over. Pull the hook through the loop on your hook. That is your first chain stitch. Let's do it again. Slowly. Yarn over, then pull through the loop. Each repetition creates another chain. As you continue, you will see small V shapes forming. Try to keep each chain even in size. A common mistake beginners make is pulling too tightly, which makes it hard to work into the chain later. If this happens, relax your hands and loosen your grip slightly. So this is how a chain stitch look like. As we are done with the chain, let's move on to the slip stitch. This is how it look like. So we will start with the chain we have already done in the first part. We have to insert our hook into the next chain stitch. Make sure it goes all the way through. Yarn over, then pull the yarn through the chain and immediately pull it through the loop already on your hook in one motion. Let's repeat that. So insert your hook into the next chain. Then yarn over, pull through the chain and through the loop on your hook. A common beginner mistake is stopping after pulling through the chain, but remember it must go through both in one continuous motion. Continue a few more slip stitches, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through everything. This stitch stays very flat and does not feel high. So this is how we have to do our slip stitch, and that is how the slip stitch is finally look like. Now let's move on to the single crochet stitch, and this is how it's look like. So this is one of the most commonly used stitches in crochet. So we have to insert our hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. Let's repeat slowly. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. This stitch creates a firm and tight fabric which is great for bags, toys and structured projects. A common mistake is forgetting to yarn over before pulling through both loops, so always check your hook before finishing the stitch. Continue a few more stitches at a steady pace, and you will master it on the single crochet. Just insert the hook onto the next chain, yarn over, pull through the chain. You have 2 loops on your hook, and then again yarn over and pull through the both loops, and you got a single crochet. So we will repeat the whole line. So after repeating the single crochet, we got the single crochet line. Now we will move to the half double crochet stitch. So for half double crochet, before you insert your hook into the next chain, you have to yarn over first. This step is important because it makes a stitch taller than a single crochet. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook and yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops at the same time. Just repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. So you got a half double crochet. Be careful not to pull through only 2 loops at the end. This is a very common beginner mistake. So we'll repeat the steps again and again in the next chain to getting a half double crochet line. So after repeating the steps, we finally get our half double crochet line. This is how it looks like. So we will move to the double crochet stitch. So for the double crochet stitch, we will start like the same steps of the half double crochet. Yarn over first, then insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, and we got 3 loops on our hook. Then we will pull through 2 loops first, then again yarn over and pull through the rest of the 2 loops, and we get our double crochet stitch. We will repeat again, and yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the chain. We got 3 loops. We will first yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and again we got 2 loops. So we will again yarn over and pull through the rest of the 2 loops, and we will get our double crochet. So we will repeat this again and again, so you can slow up the video and speed, and you can see how it is done. So we repeat the same steps. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the rest of the 2, and we will get a double crochet stitch. This stitch works up quickly and creates a more flexible fabric, and common mistake is forgetting the 2-step pull through process. So always remember, it happens in 2 stages. Repeating the steps, we get our double crochet line. Now we will move to the treble crochet. This is how it looks like. If you want, and so you can pull up the yarn and open up the stitches anytime you want. So now we will start the treble crochet with the same chain stitch we have done before. So here we will start with the same steps of yarn over, but here we will yarn over 2 times, 1 and 2. Now we will insert the hook into the next chain, pull up through the chain, and we have 4 loops in our hook. Now we will yarn over, pull up through 2 loops first, and we will get 3 loops on our hook. Then we will again yarn over and pull up through 2 loops, and we will get 2 loops left in the hook. Now again we will yarn over and pull up through the 2 loops, and we will get our treble crochet. Let's repeat slowly. Yarn over twice and insert the hook, pull up a loop, then pull through 2 loops 3 times in a row. So this treble crochet is done through 3 stages, and you have to repeat that to complete the line. This stitch creates an open, airy texture and is often used in decorative patterns. Many beginners get confused with the multiple steps. Take it slowly and count your loops each time. So now after repeating, we have got our treble crochet stitches. This is how it look like. Well, thank you for watching. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and stay tuned.